crazy. Okay, so welcome to the vlog. I haven't been filming anything lately because I just haven't been motivated, and I didn't know what to film because we're just stuck in this house every day. And honestly, I'm not having very productive days where I could film me doing productive things because I've legit been doing absolutely nothing. But today we have things to do, so I thought perfect time to vlog. We're about to go to my parents' house. We haven't seen them since this whole quarantine started, and we're not going there just to see them. We actually have to pick up some things from their house. And then we're gonna go to the grocery store because we went to the grocery store right when all this quarantine stuff happened, and we were in the new house, so we got like a huge grocery haul of everything we needed. And now we're finally running out of things like bread and just like meat to eat and things like that. So today we're gonna go back to the store, and it'll be the first time we've gone to the store since things got crazy. But obviously we're gonna go to my parents' house first and then to the store because my parents, you know, are in that risky age range. So we don't wanna go to the store where there's potentially germs and people and then go to my parents' house. Like, that's just rude. So we're gonna go to their house first, then go to the store, and then yeah, I'll show you guys like a grocery haul when we get back and just whatever. I don't know what this vlog is about to be, but whatever we do today, you'll be there. So yeah, we're just getting ready to leave the house. It's already 1:15 in the afternoon. Vic like wanted to go to my parents' house at like 10 a.m. this morning. He's crazy. I have been up so late every night. I'm just a night person, and having no responsibilities the next day, it's just made me stay up even later, and then I sleep in even longer. So I knew my ass wasn't gonna be at my parents' house at 10 this morning. Okay, yeah, so we're about to leave, and we will see you guys when we get to my parents' house. We made it to my parents' house, but it's such a crappy day outside. And I put my hair up because it was driving me nuts. Look at this day. So cold, so rainy and gross. It's literally like 40 degrees, but we're gonna go inside now.
Hello.
Hello.
Good, how you doing? So that way, if we get some erosion over the next time.
Hello. Back at our old stomping grounds. Okay, I guess this is the stuff we need to bring back. We have a juicer that we forgot we had.
What's going in there?
Seasonings and snacks that they don't use that me and Vic bought. Oh, all of our blender cups.
That's your bag that has your ring box and your earphones, and this is your mail.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Your sheets, your...
Oh yeah, we ordered sheets from Kohl's, like some new sheets. A second, what's it called? Set for the master, and then a set for the guest room, but we accidentally got it delivered to this address, not our new address, because we forgot. Okay, so I guess that's all we have to get. Maybe the rug upstairs. So we might get this rug that was in our old room up here and put it either in Vic's man cave area or my office, or I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, we're just gonna pack up all this stuff, mingle with my parents for a little bit, and then we'll head to the store and we'll see you when we get there. Okay, so we made it to the store on our side of town. We have gloves. My mom had these gloves at her house from previously dyeing her hair at home. So we have old gloves, so we didn't buy a box of gloves that we can donate, so everybody chill out. And we have 2 masks that we already had before this pandemic. And then, yeah, we'll see you guys at home. Maybe I'll vlog a little bit in the store. We're trying to get in and get out quick, so I don't know. But either way, we'll see you guys back at the house. Okay, so we're back from my parents' house and the store. Vic is pulling the car into the garage, but I wanted to do a quick grocery haul, and I did want to mention the store was really packed, but we went to Market Street. I think it's called Market Street. I don't know if everyone has a Market Street. Babe, isn't it called Market Street where we went?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called Market Street. Vic, that's like his favorite grocery store. It's kind of like a Trader Joe's, kind of. Yeah, it's like a Publix if you're from, well, there's Publix in Florida. It's like a Publix mixed with Whole Foods, kind of. I don't know. Yeah, that's Vic's favorite store, so we went there instead of like Walmart, but it was pretty packed, but they were very protective there. Most of the workers had on gloves and masks. They were wiping down every cart before you came in, like sanitizing it, and a person had like a sanitizer little thing on, like letting people know they're like the sanitizer. And then when you rang up your groceries, they had like a glass screen, so it was protecting people from like being too close. All the workers had a sticker on that said social distancing 6 feet apart. They had all the credit card machines covered in plastic and everything like that, so it was pretty good. And then they also had some signs like you saw in some certain places where you can only get like one item so that you're not hoarding and getting too much stuff. But I just want to do a quick grocery haul here and show you guys everything we got. It does look like a lot, but we didn't get multiple items of anything. We weren't like hoarding or buying more than we needed, unless it was like this was like 4 for $5 or something, then we did that. But basically we got some stuff for dinner, some veggies, noodles, fruits, bread. We eat bread a lot, or I eat bread a lot. Vic doesn't, but I do. And then all of the meats, we got some Quest frozen pizzas, some chicken, ground turkey, lunch meat. Vic likes Italian sausage. We got some salmon. And then here's all the junk food that I like. So chips, fruit by the foot, popcorn, goldfish, candy, all that. And then Vic eats a lot of ketchup. He loves ketchup. This is everything we got. And then we went to Chick-fil-A after because we were freaking starving. Yeah, Vic hasn't eaten today and I've only eaten breakfast and it's 4:30 almost, so we're starving. So we went to Chick-fil-A and it was right across the street from the store. So we're just gonna put away all these groceries and then eat lunch and go from there because I don't really know what's next. We did get a couple packages. I don't know if you can see over there. We got some deliveries and I think it's some furniture. So maybe after we eat and put all this away, we'll put some of that together. But yeah, I will catch you guys later. Okay, update time. It is now, let me see, 6:30. We ate our Chick-fil-A. And then when I was eating, I actually started watching an episode of Manifest. That's our show right now. And we're kind of obsessed. So Vic was watching it first and then I slowly started like watching while he was watching and then I got hooked. So we watched 2 episodes of Manifest and then decided we need to like get shit done. So now we are upstairs. This is our bedroom and we're about to continue watching Manifest, but we're gonna watch it in the little nook area so that we can put together the furniture, because the furniture we're putting together actually goes over there, which I'll show you in just a second. But that is what we're doing now. Yeah. Okay, so down the hall. Okay, so this is Vic's little like man cave, but clearly as you can see, he's been slumming it in this room. There's been no furniture or anything, just the TV on the wall. So I think, we're not sure what this is. We think it's the entertainment system that goes right there, but we're not like entirely sure because I bought 3 things from All Modern and ordered it all at once. And all of the delivery dates were all separate. They were all scheduled to deliver next week. But then we got 2 deliveries today. So it's really weird and I don't know what's what. So we're gonna start putting it together while we watch Manifest and I will catch you guys later.
Here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe.
Okay, so I'm back. I just wanted to show you guys that we finished it was the entertainment system for this little man cave nook area. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's so cute, I'm obsessed. So this is what it looks like. I got it from All Modern and I think it's super cute. I just love modern furniture, clean lines, very simple. And then this part actually opens. Oops, messing up his PlayStation. Well, it opens up all the way. You can slide this white part across the whole thing. So there's like a compartment in here, and then there's just these open compartments here. Here you put all his little things on it, so love it. We're still waiting on the other furniture for this room. We still have to get a couch, obviously, and then like a table or something, but we're making progress. I think it looks so good. And then we're actually downstairs now. I just ran upstairs to show you guys. That's why I'm like out of breath. It's like 8:30 now. We're making a quick dinner and I'll show you guys what we're making. So we're just making spaghetti because it's my fave. We just make a little bit of ground turkey to put in the sauce, and we have just like a normal sauce. This isn't the one I normally get. I usually get like just your normal brand of spaghetti sauce, but the store is so low on pasta and like spaghetti sauces and stuff. They were like sold out of all like the normal brands. So I got this Mama's brand, or Mom's spaghetti sauce brand. So we'll see if it's any good. So yeah, got the sauce. We're using this protein spaghetti, and then I'm gonna put these in the oven with some melted like garlic butter. Really super easy, quick meal. Perfect. Okay, that's disappointing. We just poured the sauce into the meat and the sauce has giant whole pieces of garlic in it. And this is why I stick with my basic brands of sauce, but we'll just pick them out. It's totally fine. Everything's looking so good. This only needs a few more minutes. This is done. It actually looks a lot better now that we took all the nasty chunks out, but the flavor is good. And then we're just waiting on these puppies. Oh yeah. It's gonna be so good. I'll show you guys whenever it's done. Dinner is served. It looks so good. So yeah, we're just gonna eat this and probably watch another episode of Manifest. And then it's getting late, but I will catch you guys later because I don't know what we're gonna be doing after that. Hello, I'm back. We ate our dinner, watched a couple of episodes of Manifest, and now I am trying to fix my stupidity. My dumbass. So I have two hard drives. I can't really, there we go. This is the one I've been using, but now I need to get two hard drives info into one place, basically, not lose any footage from the old hard drive and still be able to include the new footage from the new hard drive, all for the same video. I don't know if that makes any sense. It kind of screwed me up, and now I'm trying to like finagle my way around to make it all come together and work, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's 10:30 right now. My face looks absolutely disgusting and oily. I'm so oily. And I want to do a face mask tonight. And I also bought, if you follow me on Instagram, anytime we get deliveries, I post it on my stories and I tell you guys what I got and why, or like what it is, whatever. So I bought a teeth whitening kit and I've been wanting to do it. I've had it for like a couple days now, and it's just bizarre. I have nothing but time to do all these things, and yet somehow I still find that I just have no time. I do have time, I'm just not using it the way that I want to. I'm using it to watch Manifest. But yeah, I want to do that. I don't know if I'll do it tonight now because it's 10:30 and I still have to do the thing where you like boil the mouthpieces and like mold them to your teeth, and that's a lot of work. So I'll probably save that for tomorrow. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I'm just gonna continue to try to fix this. And then I guess once I'm like getting ready for bed and doing all the fun like self-care stuff, then I'll catch up with you guys. I literally just turned my camera off and then I tried to do what I was doing to see if my thought process of making this work would work. You know what? I'm a lot smarter than I think I am and that I give myself credit for, because I just figured out a very complicated thing on my own without asking anyone for help, without looking it up, without asking my friend. That's a win. Okay, I'll see you guys in just a minute. Okay, I have my camera balancing on like a stack of things right now, so hopefully it doesn't fall. So I just took a quick shower and I was gonna do my skincare with you guys, but I went ahead and already did it, and I was gonna do a mask, but then I got too lazy. I'm tired. It's literally 12:30 now, so I just thought that I would just show you guys the products that I do use on a regular basis to end this video. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about is what I have on right here. It's actually a mask. So it is you've probably seen it on Instagram. It's the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Fighting Face Mask. It detoxifies and brightens, but you've probably seen this on Instagram. It's the one that pops up on the ads and stuff. Yeah, Instagram definitely made me buy it, but I really do like it. So that's what's on my face right now. What I have on my lips right now is, I hate brand names. Why do they make it so hard? Is it Laneige? I know this too. It's just late and I'm tired. It's actually a lip sleeping mask and I put it on every single night and I really, really like it. Whenever my lips are really struggling and they're really crusty and dry and just peeling and stuff, sleep with this on. Focus, focus, focus. I'll have it linked below, so check it out. Try it if you need a good lip mask. And then the last thing that I use on a regular basis, I'm not trying to hype this brand because I have a discount code with them. I have been using this brand long before I worked with them, 1, and 2, for like multiple years now. So I'm not hyping it for selfish reasons. I use it every morning and every single night, and it's the Babe Lash Essential Serum. Even Vic, my husband, even he has noticed a difference in my lashes, and you guys know, guys don't notice shit, much less something so small like eyelashes. But yeah, Vic's already in bed watching a movie, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Thanks for joining us on our day today, and I will see you guys in the next vlog or video. Bye.